Hi guys, welcome to Clevershakes. I'm Sarah. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to build your CV or resume in 7 steps. Also, I'm gonna give you 5 tips to your CV or resume. Step first. Gonna click in Google and you're gonna start to type www.canva.com. We arrive to the website. Here in the left side we have two options. We can sync up with Google account or we can sync up with Facebook account. If you have already an account, you can log in with Google, with Facebook, or whatever kind of email you have. So we're gonna click on Google account and here we gonna click our mail. It's fast. Step 2. We are here in Canva dashboard and we have three kind of ways to choose a resume template. So the first way is the search bar. We have some suggestions here. We have here the shortcut to design different kind of formats, or go to the left, click in create a design. We have YouTube,
invoice, poster, email, header, logo, video, presentations.
Click on resume. Step 3. Here is our workspace. We can find this blue signal is for add a new page, copy new page, and add note. If we focus in the left side, we can find here all the options to create our resume. We had the template, photos, element, text, videos, background, upload. In this case, we gonna use template and we're gonna start to look the best template for us. We have here a lot of options, so I recommend you to choose
if you are an adopter like this or this design, or simple resume if you are like lawyer, economist, if you are a creative person.
Start to replace all the information from the template to your own information. Now choose this one. I love it. Step 4. Start to replace all the information from the template to your own information. I recommend you to have a Microsoft Word document with all the information that you want to put in your resume.
So we're gonna start to change all the information with your name, last name.
Try to be careful, everything is organized. Your profile is easier if you have everything done. Take your time to do this. If you take time designing, you're gonna have better results. You have to be patient with this. Step 5. You start to replace the design. We're gonna start with a photo. We're gonna double click the photo and then you go to uploads option in the left side. Click upload an image or video. Select the picture you want to put in your resume. I recommend you a picture like this that only with your face. The people wants to focus who is you. No, go with your dog or a nice outfit. In this case, if you put out of the worksheet, it's gonna disappear. Change the color to the background. Click on the background. Click in this part and you can start to change the color. I want to change the color here. And I can change this kind of details. You see, I want in black, so I can select all. You only have to press shift and click and you can change the position. In the description below of this video, I'm gonna give you some colors tips to how to combine and how to choose the best colors to build your resume. Step 6. When you already have your designs already, we're gonna line all the elements to organize better the information. So you're gonna press shift K and we're gonna select all the elements and we're gonna click alignment. And if you feel like it's done and you feel comfortable with the results, let it like that. Step 7. Download your CV. Yeah, it's done. If you think all the results are really good, you just have to go to this. Now you have here some options. File type.
We have the option PNG, JPG, PDF, PDF print, video and animation.
I recommend you to use PDF. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna select the pages you want and click download. Yay, you got your resume! If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Check it out the following videos to learn how to brand yourself and create your own brand and get hired or even create your own business. Check your mind and be clever.